Hey guys, today I'm sharing a quick maintenance tip to help ensure proper care of your automatic OTFs. Automatic and OTF knives are not as simple as folding knives, so we do not want customers opening them up. Not only could it cause injury, but it would also void your warranty. With that said, we wanted to put together a quick video showing you a safe and easy way to clean your automatic OTFs by Tekto. The first thing we're going to do is spray some gun oil down the inside of the handle. I've got a variety of oils here, but we're going to be using REM oil. This is the go-to for all OTFs. This is a lubricant and cleaner, and it does a really great job of removing any residue on your blade. Then you're going to take some compressed air and blow out any debris that's stuck inside. This can get a little messy, so make sure you have a towel or something underneath for the excess drip. Lastly, you're going to give your knife a general cleanup with cotton swabs, and then apply some oil to the front and back side of the button. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to our team, and I'll see you soon.